Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the necessary steps you need to control background data usage to ensure your online experience is both efficient and cost effective. Without waste of time, let's go to settings. We are going to effect some changes under update and security, privacy, accounts, and finally, network and internet. Update and security provides a means to manage crucial system update and security features. So when you observe you're having too much data consumption on your system, this might be the cause. For you to turn off this feature for a better experience, navigate to Update and Security. Here, you can turn off Windows and driver updates to prevent data consumption during automatic updates. So navigate down to Advanced Options, which provide control over updates behavior. Make sure you turn off all the updates by toggling the buttons. You can also temporarily pause updates for a defined period. This option provides you with 35 days limits, and afterwards the feature will be restored. So all you need to do is to reactivate it after the elapsed period. Another crucial way to restrict your background data consumption is under Privacy. Click on Home. It will take you back to Settings, and then click on Privacy. Use the scroll bar to navigate to background apps. You can decide here which application can run in the background. But the major thing here is we are not too certain about which of the application is responsible for draining much of your data. Advisingly, just turn it off. Just turn everything off, okay? When you turn it off here, all the application won't run in your background. So you see, that will help you reduce unnecessary data consumption. Thirdly,
under Accounts,
you will have this window. When the synchronization is active, it tends to manage your personalized settings across Windows devices. What do you think if you disable it? It will definitely prevent background data synchronization and you will have less data usage. So make sure you turn this feature off. We can monitor our data usage and also set a data limit plan that cannot be altered. To do this, go back to Network and Internet. Click on Data Usage. Click on Set Limit. So here, you can set your data limit. For example, check this. Finally, under Background Data, click on Never if you want to completely block an app feature from running in the background. But if you click on Allow, some applications or features will have background functionality, but with limitation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.